This is the Hollon Home Safe CE rated electronic keypad. First, to demonstrate, here's the battery door cover. We always recommend using Duracell batteries. This requires 4 AA Duracell. If the batteries go dead, and they will eventually, you just open it up, remove the batteries, and replace them with new batteries. Your combination will be kept on the electronic memory there in the back. When opening it the first time, your code will be written on a piece of paper, just like this. And the code, the factory code, is star 4560 pound. Turn the handle, and we can now open the safe. Notice that the light does not stay on. I can then close the handle back, but in order to set the combination, I can set the combination from any set of numbers from 4 digits to as many as 10 digits. Now, on this one, I'm just going to set it for 6 digits. In order to do that, we want to communicate with the computer that's on the inside here. There are 2 ways. The star button acts as a wake-up key, which says, wake up, I want to put in my combination. The pound says, I'm finished now. Now, there's another wake-up key, and that's to set the master code. That's this black button back here in the back with the letter M for master on it. Now, what I do here is I push that button. Notice we've lit up again. Now I can set the code to whatever I want to, and I'm going to set it to the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. That is all there is to set the code. Now then, before I test it, you'll notice I've left it in an unlocked position. You want to test your safe 3 times before you close it, after you change the combination. I always recommend writing down your combination someplace that's not going to be seen very well, but yet you'll know where it's at. Perhaps behind a photograph, a picture, or even underneath a table. Star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. And it's opened. Okay? Now we'll do it again. Star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. You heard that little click on it? That's saying she's open. And now we can unlock it. One more try, and this will be our 3rd time. Star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. And there she is, she's unlocked. Now I'm ready to go ahead and finish closing the door and locking my safe. She's ready to go, and that's how you program the CE electronic safe keypad for the Home Safe series. Thank you.